I always think of it as we get them young, plant a seed and they grow. And if they can see the future in that by taking the first couple of steps and we helping them lay the first seeds to aspire them to be engineers, that's what we aim for. And it's all about engaging science, and that was funded by the Queensland Government. So the Engaging Science grant is all about bringing science to children, to school children, and also making sure that we understand the concepts behind science to how it connects to historically Indigenous First Nations boomerangs. In this, we've taken the students through designing, understanding mathematical concepts, understanding the material breakage about fabrics and different materials, and then they taught the kids about the robotic side of it and how it's controlled. And so the end result is taking the kids outside with their demos, their demonstrations, and we'll go and give it a whirl and see which one comes back, and they get prizes. This made it very real for them. It's practical, physical experience that they can touch, feel and use, and that's the key. I think that's the key to learning. Everybody learns differently, and CQU has the ability to use all those senses to learn. And to share the knowledge that sometimes our kids, the First Nations kids, take for granted because they hear us talk about it at home or their grandparents, or, we have a couple of this equipment and other things that could be seen as, just First Nations tools or stuff, things like that. Well, it's good to bring it in. We've got to normalise these things, and it just makes it really nice for the other students to come in and have a yarn about it, because our kids talk very freely about it, so much so is that, oh yeah, we've got one of those at home. It becomes a normal piece of everyday conversation, and that's what you want to normalise, learning for everybody so that everybody can be on the same pace.
We're learning about how we can put in modern technology with the First Nation culture. It's really important to know that modern society is embracing my culture.
And I was controlling the robot on the computer and making it go around in a circle kind of thing.
And probably the robotics is my favourite part of today, because we got to go on the computers and learn how to control the robot.
It's great to know the basics now, so when we're older and we actually do have jobs, we know some of the basics, and we know most of the things to be aware of.